Good day guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video we're talking about how to manage pinned tabs and folders in Arc browser. So the tab we need and the interface section we need is this one right here. As you can see on the left, we have this section where we can create new spaces, new folders, and also of course browse our pinned stuff. Okay guys, in order to browse your folders, it's pretty simple guys. So as you can see, I have this personal space. Also have a workspace just to show you. So this is just the name of the space, and inside this space I have my folder named untitled. Let me actually renamed it to say test folder. Like this, and enter. And now guys, anything you place, any tabs you open up and place under this specific folder will actually be pinned here. So in order to pin them or unpin them, right, you just choose the tab. As you can see, I have this company's official YouTube channel here opened up. You just right click and then remove pin. There you go. And the app still is, as you can see, opened up, but it's not displaying under that test folder anymore. And in order to go ahead and bring it back into that folder or to any other folder you wish, any folder you create, you just drag it with your mouse right here. There you go. And now as you can see, it's nested right below the test folder. And of course, if you want to manage other folders, create them, add different other tabs into it, pretty simply done. You can just create a new folder, right? New folder, right? Say I will say test 2, okay, enter. And then you can just open up, say, I don't know, YouTube music, just open this up, make it full screen. Okay, and then you just drag it onto this folder. There you go. And now as you can see, I have different things under different folders. So that's how you manage. On Mac, it's pretty much the same, just the interface is a little different, but the mechanic is still the same. Enjoy as always, guys, and thank you for watching.